Good morning, guys, and today we're heading over to the shop, get a battery change on the GLS because yesterday morning it didn't want to start. Guys, so today I'm gonna show you what a battery is in GLS 450. You guys can go ahead at home, and if your battery starts giving up on you like mine did past couple months, it's really just you come in the morning to the vehicle and try to get in or something. It just hesitates and then it doesn't want to start. So I'm going to show you guys where the battery is located in the GLS and how usually long it takes to replace it. So it shouldn't take too than 10-15 minutes, 5 minutes if you're not handy. But the battery itself costs about $190 or so at O'Reilly's. That's what I picked mine at. So it's not really a cheap battery, but hopefully it's gonna last as long as this one did, which is 2017. So I mean, it's about 40 years old and about 86,000 miles on the vehicle. So hopefully this one lasts as long as this other one did. Let's pull up to the shop right here. We got about a few minutes away, and we'll go from there. This is East Lake, Ohio, guys, if you haven't catch up on some street signs. Alright, so your battery is right here underneath the passenger side front seat. Lift it up as high as you can, and it's right there. So we got 850 cold crank-amps, which is good. You want to have this very high because of the car. Alright, so you guys get your bracket out from underneath. Two bolts, 13 mils. Unhook your ground from here, and you have to reach up there for the positive. Then pull the battery to the side. There it goes. Easy out. It's in.
It's in.
It's in. Alright, guys, so battery's in, hooked up, bolts down, ground wire. Positive is up front. Now you have to put this down. Alright, guys, so we got a time set. We got 86,000 miles. That's how long the battery was good for. And now we are all set with the battery. So let's know what the battery is. Passenger seat underneath should be for good for MLs and GLSs. Alright, guys, so we're all done. Let's back up out of the shop. Alright guys, I want to thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you guys next time. We're going to be working on something else, unless something else comes up on a Mercedes. So till next time.